How to book in Expedia. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually book in Expedia, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends on what you want to book, whether a hotel or a flight or a car rental or whatever else you actually prefer. In this case, you simply want to go ahead and actually open the Expedia application. Once you open the Expedia app, you will see this type of interface where you just need to click the flights icon from the very top of the screen. Once you click the flights icon, you can select flying from and then flying to, and then select dates, travelers, and then you can also choose your preferred class over here. Once you select all these details over here, you'll be able to search for that specific flight, and then you'll be able to see a list of available flights as well. Then you can select a specific flight based on the price range that you want. You can choose a specific one, and you can see economy, flex, or whatever else you prefer. You have all those options. And then you just want to click the option called continue. Then once you click on the continue option, it says you to choose returning flight, so you can do that. And then just click on the certain filter. You can also choose a return flight if you want, and then just click on the continue button in order to be able to go ahead and actually book in Expedia. This is simply how you can book in Expedia. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.